Let's learn about the laws of growth. First law states that it is a continuous and orderly process. That is, it begins even before birth and continues in an orderly fashion. The periods of greatest growth are the first half of gestation, the first 2 years of life, and during puberty. Now, the next law says that every child is special in its own way. That is, the pattern of growth is unique in every individual. Now, how is this happening? What is the direction? It is cephalocaudal. That is, the head will grow first and then the trunk. And also, it is from distal to proximal. So, please note here it is distal to proximal. That is, the hand will grow first and then the arms. The next law. So, different tissues will grow at different rates. For example, the brain growth is happening in the later half of the gestation and the first 2 years of life in maximum. Next, gonadal growth is happening more during puberty. Lymphoid growth is happening more during mid-childhood, that is 4 to 8 years of life. So this is why there can be an enlarged tonsil and an enlarged lymph node, which is absolutely normal in a 4 to 8-year-old child. The last would be lean body mass. So this constitutes of your muscle mass, your bone mass, and the mass because of internal organs. Now this is greater in taller children, this is greater during puberty, and it is greater in boys. So these are the laws of growth. Please do correlate it with laws of development and keep learning.